What are you finding in the oil charts these days?
I think, we've seen a real big rally in crude oil here off the lows. It's up 15% since early April. And what's even more impressive about the rally is in what environment it's occurred. The dollar over that same period is up about 5%. As you know, like oil and water, oil and the dollar typically don't mix. And the fact that both of them are going up at the same time and that crude oil has been so strong in that environment is an impressive trend, to say the least.
Does it mean that we are to see more gains for oil? We're already looking at WTI above 71 as Brent marches toward 80.
Yeah, so, when we look back at these prior periods in the market, when you see these simultaneous rallies, crude oil has seen a little bit better than average returns. The energy stocks have done really well going forward, as well as the overall stock market. The S&P 500, following these types of rallies like we've seen over the last month in crude oil and the dollar, has averaged gains of over 10% over the following 6 months and has been positive every time. And it's been about 10 different occurrences since the mid-'80s, so it's not so it's been pretty consistent on that front. And with the S&P, energy has been the leader. The sector has had a strong run over the last 6 weeks. It's one of the most extended sectors in the short term. It's further above its 50-day moving average than any other group, and it's closer to a 52-week high than any other sector. That said, if you take like a 40,000 foot perspective from it, and you look at the relative strength of the energy sector.
We were just showing that.
Going back to 1980, it's still very depressed and right near 14-year lows. So, in the short term, you may be tempting to say, hey, this rally has really gotten ahead of itself, and it may have, it may stall out a little bit, but longer term, energy's got a very deep hole to dig itself out of.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.